Alright, today I'm going to show you how to enable the Lambda closed-loop control in Mectronik. So first of all, you want to open your Mectronik and select your strategy file for whichever workspace you're working on, and then select your last strategy. Now in the Engine tab menu, go down to Custom Settings. In Custom Settings, in the Parameter tab here, you want to make sure that your Lambda control is checked. Then you want to go into your Lambda target and set your target. So we're talking about Lambda value, so 0.88 here would be slightly richer than stoichiometric, and it's about 13.6, or so it's about 12.9, 13 for gasoline as an airflow ratio. Then you want to go into your Lambda enable, and this is a table that enables you to have a different strategy for how the Lambda control is applied. So 1 in this case is closed loop control only. 3 in this case is closed loop control plus adaptive. It means that the strategy learns how much it needs to correct based on the initial target and based on the reading from the pipe. And it's populating a table in the volatile memory that will essentially propose corrections. This is kind of like the auto-tune system. This table is learned during the session and can then be applied to the injection correction eventually. Or you can also have the mode 0, which would be fully open loop. In this case, you do not want to rely on the sensor, and you just want to rely on your injection table. So often we do, for example, 0 at very low position of throttle and 0 during idle, so we just only rely on the injection tables, and then potentially just a value of 1, so closed loop only for more transient area. But then we want to learn, when it's more steady, we want to learn what the correction is going to be to have the most accurate fueling in those areas. This is just an example, but this is how the strategy works. Then you want to go into your your rider setting, your work mode setting, and then in the work mode, you want to make sure that the Lambda closed loop strategy is activated. So right here, Lambda closed loop, and then the injection correction is if you were to apply corrections, for example, learned from the adaptive right here. So you want to make sure that those two are selected, and that's it. Your strategy is operational. Now, if you had more than one Lambda sensor, so you want to go back into the engine, custom settings, and then parameters. So right here in this case, this engine is a twin, and it has 2 external Lambda controllers, 1 for each cylinder. Let's say you had 4 cylinders with 4 Lambda controllers. This is what you would be using to have individual control for each cylinder. In most of MotoAmerica locked ECUs, there's only one wideband sensor that is allowed for controlling all cylinders, and so you would have to select the onboard wideband right here. And that's it. Your strategy is operational.